Oh no. The blue bag is lost.
Lost? What is lost, Arthur?
The blue bag. It is stuck inside.
My toy bear is in the blue bag. The train is moving now. Be brave, Leo.
Wait! I am so nervous! I have the train ticket. Train 45.
Train 45. We are safe, Arthur.
I am scared. The blue bag is gone.
Gone? It is not gone. It is an adventure.
Look at the board. Many ancient numbers.
Excuse me! I am stuck!
The coffee smells peaceful. Let's think.
Yes, think. We need to discover the blue bag.
A mystery. I see a beautiful sign there.
A beautiful sign? What does it say?
Hello there. Are you lost?
Lost? Yes. We lost a treasure.
My treasure is on the train.
Do not be scared. Follow that sign. Thank you. We will be brave.
Let's walk together. It is safe.
Yes, safe. Let's follow the sign. I want to discover my bear.
The hot steam is very peaceful.
Look, the bright sign is here.
I feel stuck again, Clara.
Stuck? No, we are almost there.
Okay, I will open the door.
Wow, it is very peaceful inside.
One moment, please. I am busy.
Excuse me, we have a secret.
A secret? No, we need help. Help? How can I help today?
Hello? We lost something very important.
You lost something? On train 45? Yes. We lost a blue bag.
My toy bear is inside it.
A blue bag with a bear.
It is on the train seat.
On the seat? I will call them.
Call them. Please be fast.
Station 45, do you hear me?
Hear me? Magic? Is it magic?
We are looking for a blue bag.
We wait now. It is peaceful.
The green plant is very beautiful.
Beautiful? Yes, it breathes slowly.
Look! The rain is falling. Falling? The rain is very slow.
We must be patient.
Patient? Yes, I will breathe deeply.
Oh! The radio is very loud.
Loud? The signal is broken.
Broken? No, nature can be strong.
I will fix the sound.
Hello?
Hello? Lost and found, I hear you.
Hear you! They are talking!
Talking? Yes.
Did you discover a blue bag?
A blue bag. Please say yes.
Say yes? The weight is making me nervous.
Nervous? Look at the beautiful plant. Breathe slowly.
We checked the empty seat. We have a secret.
A secret? Did you discover my little bear? Discover?
Yes.
We found a blue bag with a bear.
A blue bag. We are not stuck anymore.
Stuck? Never. The world is a very safe place.
Safe place. My treasure is coming back to me. Treasure? Yes, and we were very brave today.
Brave? Very brave. The train will return in 1 hour.
One hour is fine. It is a peaceful wait.
Peaceful wait? Let's drink hot coffee outside the room.
Thank you, Agent Sarah. You are very kind.
You are welcome. Enjoy the beautiful station.
The beautiful station? Let's go explore the ancient arches. Ancient arches. I am not scared of the loud noise.
Scared? No, we are brave. I smell the hot coffee.
Hello there. Do you want hot coffee today?
Hot coffee? Yes, 2 coffees and 2 sweet milks, please.
2 sweet milks? Here are your warm drinks.
Warm drinks?
Thank you.
Here is your milk, Clara.
Your milk? Thank you. It feels very peaceful and hot.
Peaceful and hot. I love this sweet milk. Sweet milk. Let's sit on that ancient bench over there.
Ancient bench? Yes, that is a very beautiful place.
Beautiful place. Now we can rest our tired legs here.
Rest our legs? Yes. Step 1, breathe. Step 2, enjoy.
Enjoy? The giant arches look very beautiful in the light.
Beautiful in the light? I like the speaking radio, Mia. Speaking radio? Yes. First, we lost the blue bag outside. Blue bag outside? Yes, and we were very scared then.
Scared then?
But then, we found the beautiful glowing sign.
Glowing sign? Yes, and we used the crumpled train ticket.
Train ticket? Yes! Now the bag is safe on the train.
Safe on the train. The whistle sounds very peaceful now.
Peaceful now? We have time to sit and be quiet.
Be quiet? I am a little tired after the adventure. Tired after the adventure? Sleep, Leo. I will be brave.
Be brave? We are all brave. 30 minutes left now.
Left now? Yes, I will stand up.
Stand up? Wake up, Leo. Time to go.
Time to go? I am awake and very brave. Very brave. Look at the white clock, Mom.
White clock? Listen to the loud bell now.
Loud bell? Yes, train 45 is arriving.
Arriving? Let's walk to the platform safely.
Platform platform safely, I will run very fast.
Fast? No, walk slowly. We are very safe.
Very safe. I see the long track.
Long track? The train is coming, Mia.
Coming? The wind is very strong now.
Strong now? The big train is very beautiful.
Very beautiful. The doors are open now.
Look, he has the blue bag. Blue bag. My treasure is safe, Mom.
Yes, this is my ticket. I'm here for the lost bag. Arthur Miller? Yes, this is your lost bag.
My lost bag. Thank you very much.
Thank you. We are a very proud family.
A proud family. Look, my secret treasure is here.
Treasure is here? I am so proud of you.
Proud of you. The mystery is finally beautifully solved.
Beautifully solved? Yes, we work together as a team.
A team? Yes. Staying calm is the best secret.
Best secret? If we lose something, we ask slowly.
Ask slowly. We tell them the color and number. Color and number. The world is a safe place.
Safe place. Let's go home and enjoy our treasure.